Hi everyone, Brennan here at Colton RV, and we're going to take a look at the 2021 KZ Confluence 22RB travel trailer. The exterior is made of highly durable fiberglass, and it has plenty of storage space. Now here on the inside of the trailer, you can see we have a roomy and really stylish kitchen, featuring seamless countertops and solid wood cabinets. Premium Thomas Paine furniture in the living area with heated massage seats for ultimate comfort. Plus USB ports on both sides to charge your devices. The bathroom utilizes the full width of the trailer, so it is truly spacious. The porcelain toilet and full shower make for an at-home bathroom experience. And finally, headed back into the bedroom, we have a full walk-around king-size bed and plenty of storage space. To see the Confluence and the rest of our gigantic travel trailer selection, head on down to the Buffalo Bills RV show at Highmark Stadium from October 14th through the 17th.